Hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to use the Rexine app with a Rexine dash cam. With the last update, they've kind of screwed a lot of people, and I notice a lot of people just can't connect to it. I'm installing the app Fresh Start, as you can see. I'm going to show you how to do it, and hopefully, I know it all works, so I just got to show you how to use it. So I'm going to click open on this. It will open the app. I agree to that. Device's location. And it uses none of this, so I don't know why. With the newest update, it does, for me, it does not let it save to your phone. It saves it to this area, and then they want you to share it on here. Now, when you share it on here, there's people that go on there, and I get my videos from me, my friends, and family. There's people that go on here, and the app I'm using, or the app I'm using right now that screenshots my screen, they'll go on here and just watch this. Now, I'm not going to watch it because it's not mine, but they'll watch that, and then that one never loads for some reason, because I do like watching them. Lets me know there's idiots out in the world. They'll watch this, screen share it, and then put it on their YouTube as theirs. I'm only going to let it play for a second. So Rexine wants you to put it on their site so they can end up putting it on YouTube and making their money, or selling it to insurance companies and such. I'm going to show you how to do it. Switch over to my camera. Whoa, it zoomed way in for some reason. I think I'm going to have to turn the flash on, and it won't work because I'm not recording. Okay, so I think you can see it. So it's recording, it's blinking, recording up there. This is the 4K model. It says 2100, but it for some reason it said 4K when I bought it. It's only the front cam. I don't have a back cam. So you gotta stop the recording. Now most people think you just hold on this button and it pops it into Wi-Fi mode. That's its Wi-Fi, that's its password. Now I'm gonna show you when you connect, it will not connect. Now I'll show you why and how to fix it. And doing this video, watch, it'll probably work, but it didn't work yesterday. Connecting. And if it does connect, I'll show you how to fix it if it did not connect. I don't think my SD card has much on it right now. Okay, now it's trying to, that is my local Wi-Fi, and it's probably going to work. Look at this. Nope, can't play this file type. Okay, good. This is how you fix that. So, you need to get it out of that mode. Hold it again, the OK button. See it? There we go. You need to press the side button, or however you get to resolution. Go to resolution and lower the resolution. There, it's showing 3K. 2K really. You need to lower the resolution. I lowered all the way down so I don't have any problem. And then make sure you select it. 720p. Keep it on there. Now you can try it that way and see if it connects. Then if it doesn't connect, you should have already saved all your videos that you want. They have a little lock icon on them. So if you go in and delete, you need to go in. This is the second thing. This always makes it work for me. You need to go in until you see your record thing up there, and click that and click delete all. Now it's not going to delete the protected ones. It's going to delete all the ones that are unprotected, which normally you don't want them, and if you do want them, you'll probably be plugging it into a computer to sort out the millions that you want. Mine loops every 1 minute. Delete all, erase all. Now I'll show you that it kept the locked ones. For some reason this cannot connect, at least mine cannot connect to this when the memory card is full of previous videos. So now you want to get out of there. See, I got a locked one right there. The date should change or something over there. Yeah, see, it's changing right there. I only have 2 on there. So it kept your locked ones. Now you leave here. However you do that, you need to go back to where it's looking out my front window, and then hold on the button again. Oops, it's hard to focus. I tried to do this when it's sunny out too. And that's my girlfriend in the corner sleeping. I did not know I was getting that. And now you want to reconnect. Now it should connect no problem. But as I said earlier, when you download the video, it does not download to your phone anymore. It downloads to basically their website. So basically you're giving them free content to go make money off of. Me, I now rip them through taking the SD card out, which is a pain because that's why I bought this, because it was through Wi-Fi, which is really just another style of Bluetooth they're using. Now, if this doesn't work, I may have to crash the Rexing app and relaunch it, but it will work. Default password. And you want to go back to that app. And sometimes I have to power cycle my phone or the Rexing cam, which I normally don't have to do that. That's like a last ditch effort. Okay. I hit the button because it started showing that I was recording on the Rexing, so I was like, what's going on? And there it is. I don't know why we don't have a view. Let's switch to photo mode and see if it will show us a view. Maybe it's because I'm recording. Nope, there we go. That's out my front window. And then let's change back to switch to video mode. I don't know why it wasn't. Okay, I don't. Okay, click recording. I'm gonna end up jamming it up and crash. And I think this update came out in October, and we're in December now. So a lot of people don't even feel like they're going to do anything. Okay, let's just let it do whatever it wants. Hopefully this gets you to where you need to be. This is where your settings are. I think I gotta stop it first. Maybe my phone can't handle recording at the same time. Oh, there we go. Okay, yep, it's doing everything at once. Could not stop recording. It stopped recording and quit flashing. I'd show you that, but I don't want to mess it up any. I don't need to access the camera. I was just going to show you how it will let me download the files, but will not put them on. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think that button locked. Connecting to dashcam. What's going on here? Don't think my recorder is liking it. You know what? Let's crash the app and try it again. Actually, let's look when the last update was to help you guys out. I left a negative feedback because I don't like that it makes you take the SIM card out. Update October 26th, and we're into like December 7th, I think is the date. Let's try this again. Connect. No internet? Yes, it's called Wi-Fi. No, it is not normal Wi-Fi. Connect. Come on. Of course, if I'm making a video, it ain't gonna work. I'm going to try it one more time, and then I'm going to do a power cycle, and I guess I'll have to clip the video together for you guys. Okay, get some clip. Okay, everybody. This is where I left you off. I just did a restart on my phone and the device. And now look how quick it connects. So maybe I should restart my phone once in a while, or dash cam. Oh, look, it loaded that right up before it starts messing up. Okay, it's working great. Guess I should have restarted before this video. Them are the couple videos that it started when I restarted the device. Go to locked, hold on it, and then click download. I don't know if you guys can see that little thing I'm moving around or not. I do 1 minute loops. I think it's, if you got a 5 minute loop, you got a 5 minute download per video. Mine's 1 minute loop, 1 minute download. Kind of nice. Now, it's used to save to your phone. It does not do that anymore because they want you to put it on their site. So really this video isn't helping you at all because most people want to download it to show someone. But I'll show you where it goes in case you do want to show somebody. Because it's still kind of on your device. It's not in your car. But it's not on your device like you'd want. Okay. Now I'm going to unconnect from the device to show you that it will play without having to be connected. Okay. I'm going to switch back to the device. I'll hold on that. Shutting off that, and then I'm going to put it back on record because actually I'm going to put the resolution back up and then record. It's back to recording. It's doing its own thing in its own area. So we want to go here. It should have disconnected. So you can either share it, but if you go right here, there is my video. That is a guy that rode my butt and then got pulled over. It was great. Can't wait to put that one online. But there's your video. That's where it's at. You can trim it and everything. They only want 15 seconds if you're trying to post it on here, which is the only place that you can post it from this app. If you want it on your phone or your computer, you're going to have to take the SIM card out or find a cord. It's a micro USB on mine to plug into the side. But yeah, that's how you get all your stuff. See, I ain't even logged in. It won't do nothing. But yeah, I hope that helped. Remember to erase your unsaved videos and lower the resolution, at least on my version. I know most of the new ones are not 4K and 2K, they are 1080p. So obviously that means this 2K, 4K one was no good. I like it, it works all right. But they did away with that version. Or it's like $300 now, I think. And this was only like $80 when I bought it. So yeah, if you do all that. Mine is only a 32 gigabyte card in it. I don't know if you put an 8 gigabyte in there, it would work or not, but I travel clear across America, so I want to get my whole journey. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps someone.